Hello guys, let's unbox my new kitchen items together. I'm thrilled to share this video with you as it's my first time posting a video about kitchen items on my page. I got myself a sandwich maker. It's actually 6-in-1, but then there is an option for you to pick the number of plates you want. So I decided to go for the 4-in-1. I selected a toaster, sandwich, waffle and donut making plate. I was happy when I got it because this is exactly what I'm looking for. The color and the boxing is on point and I hope the quality will be good. I got this non-stick pot as well. It's 4-in-1, 3 cooking pots and 1 frying pan. It's quite heavy and I feel the quality is good. I'm gonna be making a lot of cooking videos using these pots, so stay tuned for more cooking videos from me. They all have covers as well. I really love the pot. I'll give it a 10/10. The next thing I'm gonna be unboxing is the silicone spoon set. The quality isn't that good as compared to the previous ones I had. The good thing about the app I use in buying these items is that when you don't like the quality of the things, you can return it and your shipping fee and full money will be refunded to you. But I decided to keep it because I love the color. The next thing I'll be showing you guys is this cute egg boiler. It can boil up to 14 eggs. It has a timer so you can set the exact number of minutes you want your egg to boil. I really love it. It's so cute. I like the color and everything about it. Another good thing about it is that you can use it to steam other dishes as well. The next thing we are going to be unboxing are these cute ceramic bowls. I had no intention of buying these bowls, but then the colors were just screaming my name and I couldn't resist it. I bought this rectangle shaped frying pan as well. I got this knife and spoon storage container as well. The good thing about being in China is that there are always new things to buy at affordable prices with less or no shipping fee. These people are always creating new things to make life easier, and this is one of the reasons why I like it here. I got this grater as well, purposely to grate ginger and garlic, especially when I need it in smaller quantities. I love the color and I can't wait to use it. I got this 2-in-1 bowl to wash my fruits and vegetables and for other purposes. I got this measuring scale too because the one I had wasn't working anymore, so I decided to replace it. I got these aprons as well. I chose the brown and black colors. I like what the gold is doing on it. It's giving. I love it. I'm so glad I got these garlic peelers. Guys, one of the things I hate doing the most in the kitchen is peeling garlic, and these peelers have not made it easy for me. I also got these potato peelers. And the last thing I'll be unboxing with you guys is this ladle holder. It comes in handy when cooking. Just put your ladle on it and you are good to go. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Please don't forget to share and follow for more content. Bye.